Gang, and we back with another video. This your boy Silk Living. Welcome back to the channel. This is the Living Tactical playlist. Doing again, gang. I got something new for you. I know we said Glock, we said Canik, we said Glock, we said Canik, but now we got a Canik in a building. We're gonna get right into it. We're gonna unbox the Canik today. This is just an unboxing review. First impressions, more like second impressions, because I don't want to buy this, so I know it's in here. And just my personal thought process on what I think, how I feel, presentation. I'm not sponsored by Canik in no way. But because this is one of the guns that was requested and asked for the channel, why not? So let's first get into presentation. That's a hell of a box. That box is way better than my Glock box. And shout out to Glock and Canik and all the other people that actually give you one, unlike Taurus and Dagger. Sorry. So I think the hard casing is always better than a soft, you know, for rain purposes or whatever, durable. They're just more durable to me. So we're gonna pop it open. There's a lot of my information on here which I don't want to be displayed, so bear with me as I move it around, or, you know, in and out of the video. So you get all your personal information for the Canik family. You get an owner's manual, and you get the firearm. I feel like the presentation, this is the best presentation you can get. I got a hell of a deal on this. But let me start by saying this is not even mine's. No, it's not. This here is my wife's. This is my wife's pistol, and I took the opportunity for New Year's, Christmas, to get her in the game. Gang. So I want to say about maybe 3 or 4 months ago, I posted on Facebook, I posted on all social media platforms, and I said, hey ladies, what are you rocking? What are you shooting, right? A lot of people responded back with a lot of different things. Some people said Glock, some people said a Sky. I just got a lot of different situations. So before we get into the beauty of her, I wanted to do something custom. I wanted to do something that stood out, but I also want to do something personal to her liking, her needing. Something being small, subcompact. We live a subcompact life. Most of the firearms we own are subcompact. So I wanted to buy my wife a beautiful badass gun, because she's a beautiful badass, you know what. Alright, so we got a 14 round mag. I want to say this about Canik over everything. The quality, look at that. The quality in the firearm, look at that. It's just nice. It's just, you know, you're getting your money's worth. You're getting your money's worth. So these are the clips. So I was told that the holster can be in and out of the waistband holster, so she can rock it to her liking, which I thought was really dope. Here go their own tools, everything that she would need. Here goes a base plate, so if you didn't want to rock you know, the extended look or whatever, you can just do the flat boy however you felt, because it may be rubbing on your skin when you tucking it in. You also get a different back strap if she or you didn't like the way that one was on. And there goes, like I said, that's the cover up piece for if you want to add something on the top, as far as an RMR, or, you know, red, green dye, whatever you want to do. You got that. So the holster, oh my, it comes with it. There's nothing you need. And I thought that, let me slide it off. A little stiff there, I thought that was like really unique, you know what I'm saying? But look at that bad boy there. Look at that. Now for the video, because, you know, we already loaded her up. Let me show you that. It is clear. Now she's stiff. She is definitely stiff. But for the video, she is clear. Yeah. So, gorgeous. Like, what? Watch your mouth. Let me move all that out the way. We want to see what she look like today. So yeah, so you can rock that, the little 12, or you can do it like that. But I mean, come on. And it's got the ambidextrous mag release. So if she can go left side or she can go right side, whatever she prefer. Like I said, you can put the your red dot, green dot sight on top. You have a chamber indicator on here. It has no thumb safety, but you do have the chamber indicator. As well as when you fire, this little dot here goes goodbye bye. See? Gone. Far as the trigger, I haven't shot it. We haven't shot it. Pulling it, it's not bad. And release, that is really, it's really close. Like, wow. Do that again. Wow. Wow. So it's got the little red blade in there. I'm feeling it. I'm loving the color. Like, when you see it online, it looks more blue, but then when you get it in person, it's kind of like a dark bluish black. It's called the Camo. So I've never owned a Canik, never shot a Canik. I was kind of against it when I saw it. I was like, oh no, this may not be for her. But I'm telling you, if she don't want it, I'll take it. Like, shit, should have bought it for me. It's nice. Like, I want to say, honestly, it's a $600 pistol. If you go online right now, you can get it for $329. So it's like, how could you not, out of all the pistols I bought, and I'm as crazy, I'm going to say this, to me, this is a better quality than the Glock. Only because of what you get. Again, I'm always about the budget. I got the nice little camo look to it. I got the sights like I wanted. These are really nice sights. You see that? A yellow on the front. That's really nice. Blacked out, yellow. It's got the serrations on the front and it's got them on the front and the rear. Easy to grip. I don't have a problem. It's not like my Glock where it was slippery. There's a lot of indentions where you can really hug in, grip in, and grab. You know, there's a lot of placement on here. I love it. The back strap, easy to remove. You can pop these out, add another one. You're rocking a standard 12. Boom. But to me, the 12 is a little short. It's a little short for me. So I, just being, you know, the male, I prefer that. I like that. That's magic to me. I'll just like that. So if it was me, I'm definitely gonna rock this one. I wouldn't. The 12 is just it's too short for me. But for her, when she had it, you know what I'm saying, I kind of you gotta push it up in there because it's so short. You know, still a good feel, still a good look if you want to carry it like that. But I think that her pistol, give me that full size monster. You know what I'm saying? It go. I have to say that my wife's gun looks better than all of mine's. That's nasty in a sexy way. You know what I'm saying? That's meaningful. Like, the color is just, ooh. And I can see that, you know, the sights are easy. I can always push them out, do something different. I'm definitely going to put a red or a green. Probably go green for her. Like I said, if I found a blue, that'd be dope. But, yeah, this is the first impression of it. I definitely will bring it back for another video because I got to shoot it. I definitely want to shoot it. I definitely want her to shoot it, and then I can give you more information about it. You know, we can get right into it. But like I always do, let me break it down. So, like always, and made in Turkey. Slide it back. Pull the side. See, slide it back. Little serrations right here. You're going to pull them down. There's one on each side. So slide it back. Pull the serrations down. Hold them. Pull the trigger. And then push the back forward. And then it'll just release like that. And it'll come straight off. There we go. Oh, it actually just popped off. It doesn't even slide forward. It just actually popped off. Okay, that's different. Yeah, so it doesn't slide. There we go. It slides. Okay. I'm learning it. So it do slide. Alright, gang, let me do that again because I just learned something new. So you pull it back, you drop the indentions, you pull the trigger, you push forward, and then it stops here, and then it just lifts off. So it just lifts, it doesn't slide all the way through. And then when you putting it back on, looks gorgeous. Great. When you're putting it back on, you kind of set it on like that. You get that? I just set it. I set it. See, it's got a hook here and a hook here. It doesn't slide all the way through because if you try to slide it like that, it's gonna get stuck. See that? Right there? And that I think that's a ejector. It's gonna get stuck. So you don't slide it. You kind of between here and here, between here and here, you want to sit it and forget it, and you push it straight back, and then it's on. Like that. Wow. Different. Really different. So let's get back into it. Let's break it down. And it just pops off. Wow. That's easy. And you can tell it's been oiled. Yeah. It's nice. It's really nice. And then that kind of looks like the Taurus. Got some hooks in there, and then you got your barrel. I'm not gonna take it all the way apart because it is very oily. I don't want oil all on my hands, like I'm getting oil on my hands. So, I keep trying to slide it. You don't slide it. You just set it down, bring it to the end, and then that's go. That's a go mode. Yeah. So y'all tell me what y'all think with the Canik. This is the Canik TP9 Elite SC, which stands for subcompact. Century arms. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Bring it back to the channel. Do you want to see more and more? Do you want me to shoot it? Do you want me to add something to it? Let me know. This is my wife's gun. I love you, baby. You mean the world to me, and I wanted you to have something, you know, especially because I'm doing a gun channel. Bae gotta have something nice too. So y'all tell me what y'all think. Is this fire or no? I'll see y'all in another one. Peace.
Living